Hi, this is Julius from the Washington Group, and I just want to touch base with you today, show you this featured community. If you've been on our page before, you've seen these type of homes. It's in the Falls community here in Blythewood, South Carolina, and the home was actually built by Mungo Homes. So stay tuned all the way to the end. It's a great starter home community. They're breaking ground on the third phase of this community right now, so it's built out a little bit, but there's still more homes to go. So look forward to you going on this journey with me. Stay all the way to the end, and you won't want to miss anything. I'll chat with you soon. Hi, thank you so much for listening in on and checking out our content. We really appreciate that from the bottom of our heart. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we would love to have a frank and earnest conversation with you about the goodness of working with Julius Washington and the Washington Group. Until the next time, salute.